What's up with y'all niggas? In this video, I'm finna give y'all the official motherfucking hair video, hair tutorial y'all niggas been wanting, you know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas can stop asking me, get off my dick. If you one of the niggas that gonna watch this video from beginning to end, my nigga, your shit gonna be cold, nigga. Your hair gonna be, you gonna be the rich god, nigga. Without further ado, let's get started, you know what I'm saying? So this is how long my hair is. So I'm gonna tell y'all niggas, look, when y'all start off, don't use the sponge brush, y'all niggas. Don't use the sponge brush, cause what I did, I had freeform before. This is my second time freeform. The first time, nigga, I used the sponge brush, and nigga, that bitch motherfucking had all twists and these hoes was tangled up and knots and shit all in my head. Nah, what I did, I just used my fucking hands. That's all you need is your hands. You don't need no towel, brush, motherfucking the pick shit. This is basically what I did. Basically, I 2-strand twist my entire head and then just took them out. You know what I'm saying? So what that is, let me show y'all niggas. Let me find something out here. So let's just say like this twist. Let's just say you got some of your hair, right? Now hold on, let's just say this is just some of your hair. What you gonna do is you gonna split them motherfuckers up like this. Split them bitches up and then you gonna twist them. Twist them like this, you know, hold on. Make sure your other hair out the way, man. Like, twist them bitches like this. Then what you do after that is you twist them together. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you pull them so they tight. Twist them together like this. And you pull, make sure they tight. Twist. Then we get to the motherfucking end, my nigga. You get to the end, you just twist that bitch like that. You know what I'm saying? Do it like that. I'm gonna take this down, but y'all do it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all leave it up. Shit. Basically, y'all gonna do that to y'all entire head. So basically, y'all gonna do that to y'all entire head. Not gonna lie, nigga. When you get finished, it's gonna look ugly, nigga. It's gonna look terrible, actually. You know what I'm saying? But the job not finished. You gotta trust the process. So like once you did that to your entire head, not gonna lie, it's gonna take a while, nigga. I recommend you know, get comfortable, put it on something on TV, Netflix, or YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Things like that. It's gonna take a little minute to do your entire head. Once you finish your entire head, nigga, what you wanna do is go get in the shower, nigga. Don't go scrub everything, nigga. I'm talking about like you get in the shower, let the water run on your hair and just do this. Your hair, do it like this. You know what I'm saying? Just let the water run on your hair type shit, cause the water gonna help your hair to lock up. You know what I'm saying? The water is gonna help your, you know what I'm saying, your hair to twist together type shit. Get out, you pin it up. Pin it up with these. You pin your hair up with these. I recommend you use these, not the little real skinny. If you have to though, use the little skinny rubber bands. It's cool. Just make sure you pin your hair up. You know what I'm saying? So it don't matter how it look now. Like nigga, you just pin it up for the nighttime. You know what I'm saying? Just to go to sleep. You can take it down in the morning. So it don't matter if it's perfect. Basically like a little ponytail, you know what I'm saying? You just pin your hair up at night, you know what I'm saying? It don't matter if you ain't got that much hair. It don't matter if you have to use about motherfucking 9 rubber bands. It don't matter. Just make sure you try to pin your hair up at night. Now that you started the process and you got the twist in your head, you know what I'm saying? You know to pin that bitch up every night. If y'all want to know how to maintain it, when to wash it, and all this stuff, y'all make sure y'all subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all got any questions? Y'all want to show me y'all hair or anything like that, nigga, just DM me on Instagram, nigga. Like, DM me on Instagram. And I'll see y'all boys in the next one, nigga. Make sure you subscribe. And don't be a hoe ass nigga.